I'm Ziv Poynor. I'm a senior here at ACMA, and today I will be showing you how to use our lovely ironing board. Okay, so to start, we make sure that it's plugged in, and then you're gonna hit that switch right there, and then you're gonna wait for that light to turn green. All right, so this is new, but we have a hot iron and cold iron. We're gonna swap it over to hot iron. I'm gonna put it out here so that people know when coming in that we have a hot iron. All right, so now that our light, it's actually that light turns green, we're gonna take our fabric and we're just gonna be ironing a little bit of it like that. You can see how wrinkled it is. And since usually on a normal iron, these would actually work. This is for, usually with a normal iron, it will steam something. Ours just spits water. It doesn't actually steam, it spits water. So instead we have our spray bottle, which will just do a little bit of a spritz here and there. The reason why you want to either steam it with the iron or spritz it is so that it can loosen up the fabric, loosen up the fibers, so it's easier to like make them flat. So we're just gonna go right in. Make sure to keep it as flat as possible and usually as taut as possible is how I like to do it. And you just start going in. Make sure you're not creating more wrinkles. And I don't have a technique per se, but more it's just like kind of just smoothing it out. Over time and doing this a bunch, it'll eventually start to smooth. You can see it's already smoothing out a bit more. It's pretty simple and it's pretty self-explanatory, or it's pretty easy. So, and then if there's some just really stubborn ones, you can get in there just with the tip of it and like, usually you can just get right in there, flatten that all out. And the reason why we iron, so you can iron just for ironing your own clothes, but for when you're making clothes and making just anything in general, you always want to iron your fabric beforehand, just so that it's flat and that you don't like mess up any of the cuts and whatnot. Knowing how to use the iron is really handy, and it's really nice to know outside of just doing tech theater. So it's always good to know these things.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, you can see the difference. I didn't get all the way through, but you can tell it really helps to iron things. There's
hot iron.
all right, now we've ironed a little bit. You have finished ironing your thing. You gotta turn this off. So first you're gonna shut it off like that. Hit that switch again. And then you're gonna come over and always unplug it. That's just like a second precaution. What I like to do is I like to just hang this right back up here so that it's not really in the way of people. And yeah.